spot. Takes some kind of water damage. Leveled in line. Gonna let this dry. Gonna sand it. Get another coat on. Cover up this line some more. Double check. Alright, gutted all that out. I did that application. 5 minutes. Get this matched up. For that time frame. Get all this primed and painted. Hopefully done today. Alright, let this dry a little bit. Sand it down. Got all that cleaned up. Let that crack line in with this plaster. Get this going on. It's pretty nasty looking out. It's drying up in the weather. Fun in the mud.
Want to get it on there quick.
Tape down on that. Some adhesive style tape. That crack should not ever come back, so we get it. Gonna sand this down today. Speak of sanding out. Once we sand all this, we're gonna primer it. All that yellow.
Blend it in. I think it's good.